Hello and welcome to my channel. Amazing hacks that you'll regret not knowing. Wait and watch till the end. Hack number 1. In a car and applying lipstick and your partner suddenly brakes hard? Oh no! Your lipstick gets messed up, but not to worry. Take some concealer on a brush and clean around your lips, and no one will know that your lipstick was messed up. Hack number 2. Want your eyebrows tamed, but not sure how to do it? Take a spoolie and rub it on a soap bar. And then brush your eyebrows with it. There you have perfect eyebrows. Hack number 3. Can't find your highlighter brush? Don't worry. Take your powder brush and put 2 bobby pins across each other so that the brush looks like a fan. It is now ready to be used as a contour brush. Hack number 4. Do you have droopy eyelids? Don't worry, take some eyelash glue and apply it to your crease. Then put your skin back to stick with the glue. There, you have the perfect crease. Hack number 5. Want a cream blush instantly? Take your lipstick and crush it and put it in a container. Add some face cream to it and mix it. There you have cream blush with a blush brush. Hack number 6. Is your nail file not working? Let me tell you a secret. Pull off the upper layer of the file, and underneath is a fresh new layer of the file. Now you know the secret. Hack number 7. Want fuller lips? Apply a lip liner just outside your lips, and then apply your lipstick. You have fuller lips now. Hack number 8. Want an instant elegant hairstyle? Simply bring your hair in the front, roll it, and hold it in one hand. Do the same on the other side, and there you have instantly elegant hairstyle. Hack number 9. Do you have dry skin? Take some aloe vera gel in a bowl and add some brown sugar and a little almond oil to it. Use the scrub to rub on the area where you have dryness. You'll have soft and moisturized skin. Hack number 10. Can't remove glittery nail polish? Try brushing some UVA glue on your nails before painting them with glittered nail color. It will easily peel off without any fuss. I hope you like my video. Share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!